Howdy, welcome to Starkeyoutdoors. So today we're on the Nav Channel on the river system, and we're trying to catch a big catfish. We're set up here. We got our 7 rods out, fishing with some cut shad, and let's see how it goes. It's February, mid-February, in between 2 cold fronts. So maybe we'll get a big one today, guys. There's a fish right there. Find the shad, you find the fish. Not a bad one. Not too bad. Hungry. Hungry. Here we go. He's a nice blue. Not bad at all. Gonna turn him loose. Looks like a pretty good one, fellas. Yeah. Have to get this rod up. Keep him out of my power poles. Oh, don't do that. And you did. Oh, hell. Oh, it's not that good. Boy, he's a fatty though. He's a fatty. That one there fought outside his weight class, that's for sure. Nice blue. Nice blue. Big old belly on him. Turn him loose. Turn him loose today. Away he goes. Fish on. Boy, it's a light bite. Light bite here in February. He's pulling the boat out. Goodness gracious. Flathead. Look at that. Flathead. Old flatty. They don't usually hit dead bait. He hit a cut shad. Beautiful fish. In he goes. What do we got here? Fighter. He hit hard. He's a mean one. He's kind of tangled up, isn't he? Ugh. All running about the same size. Not bad, but not monsters. Just yeah. River cats. River cats. Well, that's a wrap for today. It was not very productive. Didn't catch any big things, but heck, it's a day on the water. So fishing the river on the Nav Channel, kind of medium day. See you on the water. Thanks for watching.